Welcome to the inside of a lab, Helios.
Wow! Wow, so cool, huh?
A scientific laboratory, or lab, is a special place that lets us control the environment.
Ooh, such power!
A lab has many tools and instruments that allow scientists to observe, collect details, and conduct experiments.
Ooh, what does that one do?
Well, that is a microscope. It lets you examine objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. Take a look.
Ooh!
That lens bends light toward the camera and makes an object appear larger than it actually is.
Ooh!
Yeah. The word microscopic means too small to be seen unless using a microscope.
Wow!
But, I haven't put any objects under the lens yet.
Ooh! Ooh!
What did you just do?
Ooh! I put small squares under the lens.
Oh, microscopic squares?
Yes.
Huh. Let me have a look. Oh, neat.
But teacher, these squares aren't cool.
Oh, well, how do you know?
Well, I can't feel anything.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, you know what? These are microscopic squares. They're very small. Maybe we're too big to feel what they're doing. But take a look at this. Okay.
Wow! What's this?
Well, this is an incubator. It grows and maintains microbial cultures, or cell cultures, which are used in many experiments.
Oh, teacher, let's use those cells in our experiment.
That was what I was thinking. So, let's take out some cell culture. Oh. Ah.
Wow!
And let's use this pipette to transport them.
Pipette? Pipette, 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 pipette.
A pipette can transport a measured volume of liquid. It's used in lots of chemistry and biology experiments. So, let's measure out some cell culture and transport it to another test tube, just like this.
Ooh, test tube, test tube. A tube for test, yep.
Exactly. Now, add some of your microscopic squares to our test tube.
Ooh. Yep.
Okay, now we're going to put this test tube on a shaker.
Ooh. A shaker shakes.
It shakes things, and a shaker is used to mix, blend, or agitate substances by shaking them. It contains an oscillating board, which is this flat part there, and that's where we put test tubes, or flasks, or really whatever it is we're using.
Ooh, okay.
All right, so we've got our microscopic cells mixed with our microscopic squares. Now, we'll use a temperature sensor to measure any changes. Any movement?
No,
How about now?
no.
All right, maybe a bit more then. Okay, so I'm not really seeing...
Wait, teacher.
Helios, there's still no change. I think that's telling us something. Oh, come on now, Helios. Don't be so blue.
I'm not blue, teacher. I'm yellow.
I mean, don't be so sad. Remember when I told you about scientists being wrong?
Yes,
Well, what did I say?
scientists are wrong more than they are right.
Exactly. So, our hypothesis was wrong, and that makes us perfect scientists.
So, I'm still a scientist?
Yes.
Ooh, ha, a good one?
Yeah. Look at what we're doing. We're conducting experiments, we're making discoveries. This alone makes us scientists.
Ooh, yippee!
However, to be the best scientists, we need to write down our results so we can study them later.
Ooh, yes, to make conclusions.
That's right. And then we can share our conclusion with the world.
Yeah,
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh.
Done.
Okay, so we just did a very scientific experiment using some very scientific instruments and tools.
Yep, we are doing science.
We are.
Let's keep doing science. Yeah.
Another experiment?
Another.
All right. Well, we certainly have the tools for it. Lead the way, Helios.